Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to tell you, give you a scenario of a child who has ambiguous genitalia. This child is 15 days old and has presented to us with lethargy, muffled heart sound in shock-like state, and there is reluctance to feed for last couple of days. The child is on examination, dehydrated, and heart sound were also very muffled. I want to show you what is the difference. The skin pinch goes back slowly and very slowly. What is the difference of that? If you pinch the abdominal skin like this, okay, and if you can see the skin pinch going back down, normally you will not be able to see the skin pinch going back to the abdominal wall normally. If you are unable to see it going back, then it is normal skin turgor. But if you can see that the skin pinch is going back, if you can clearly see, this is called skin pinch going back slowly. बट व्हेन द स्किन यू पिंच द स्किन, और स्किन जो है वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से उसका पिंच अपनी जगह पे बरकरार रहे और वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से नीचे जाए, जब आप हाथ हटाएं तो तब भी मौजूद हो, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड स्किन पिंच गोज बैक वेरी स्लोली लाइक दिस. सी, दिस इज स्किन पिंच गोइंग बैक वेरी स्लोली. This is skin pinch going back very slowly. Okay.